Length means see from above. So we see this rectangle and this rectangle. These two rectangles are flattened to become A, B, C, D. So the size of this square is 5 cm by 5 cm. The length of this horizontal line is 4 cm. From X, view from X. So we see this shape. So the length of the vertical line is 4 cm, horizontal line is 5 cm, and this small vertical line is 1 cm. The radius of this semicircle is 2 divided by 2, means 1 cm. 2 cm is the diameter of the semicircle, so the radius is 1 cm. Radius 1 cm. From Y, view from Y. So we see this shape. These two semicircles are flattened to become the straight vertical line. The line I, J, E, F, B is flattened to become IA. So the length of this vertical line is 4 cm. The length of this horizontal line is 5 cm. And the length of this vertical line is 1 cm. The length of this horizontal line is 4 cm. The length of this vertical line is 2 cm. Length means see from above. So we see this shape. The shape E, J, I, H, C, D is flattened to become A, B, G, F. So the dimension of this shape is 6 cm by 5 cm. And the length of this horizontal line is 3 cm. From X, view from X. So we see this shape. The length of this vertical line is the length of JF. And JF, the length can be obtained from the previous diagram. So the length of JF is 4 cm. So the length of this vertical line is 4 cm. The length of this horizontal line is 6 cm. The length of this vertical line is 2 cm. The length of this horizontal line is 3 cm. And the length of this horizontal line is 2 cm. And the length of this vertical line is 4 cm minus 2 cm. So the length of this vertical line is 2 cm. View from Y, view from Y. So we see this rectangle and this rectangle. The line IHG is flattened to become JF, and the length of JF is 4 cm. The length of this small vertical line is 2 cm. And this vertical line is hidden when we view from Y, and it must be drawn as dashed line. The length of this horizontal line is 2 cm. From X, view from X. So we see this shape. 2 cm, 2 cm, 4 cm, 3 cm. So 2 cm, 2 cm, 4 cm, and 3 cm. From Y, view from Y. So we see this shape. 5 cm, 1.5 cm. So 5 cm, 1.5 cm. 2 cm, 3 cm. So 2 cm, 3 cm. Length means see from above. So you see these two rectangles. 3 cm, 5 cm, 1.5 cm. 3 cm, 5 cm, 1.5 cm. 1 cm, so 1 cm. This line is hidden when we see from above. It must be drawn as dashed line. From the previous diagram, BC is 2 cm. So the length of this vertical line and this vertical line is 2 cm. From X, view from X. So we see this curve, and this curve is flattened to become EDAF, and then we see another rectangle. The length DA is the length of this horizontal line. Length DA is same as length CB. So the length of length CB is 3.5 cm plus 1.5 cm equals 5 cm. So 5 cm, 5 cm, 5 cm. 2 cm, so 2 cm, 2 cm. And this line is hidden when we view from X. It must be drawn as dashed line. Length of this horizontal line is 1.5 cm. From Y, view from Y. So we see this shape. A, B, H, J, Q, P, and A. They are flattened to become D, C, L, M. 3 cm, 2 cm, 1 cm, 3 cm, 2 cm, 1 cm. This is a square, 1 cm by 1 cm, 1 cm, 1 cm. When we view from Y, we also see this curve. The length of this horizontal line is the radius of this semicircle, the radius. This is the diameter. The diameter is 5 cm. So the radius is 2.5 cm. So the length of this horizontal line is 2.5 cm. Calculate the volume in centimeter cube of the composite solid. Use pi equals 22/7. The volume of composite is volume of cuboid plus the volume of the half cylinder and volume of prism. The volume of cuboid is 3 times 5 times 2. The volume of the half cylinder is half times 22/7 times the radius 2.5 squared times 2. The volume of the prism is the volume of the big cuboid minus the volume of this triangle. So the answer is 63 and 1/7 centimeter cube.